Question number 1. Kiki and Serenity and Destiny are playing a game with a fair six-sided die. Kiki wins if a prime number is rolled. Serenity wins if an even number comes up. Destiny wins if the number is greater than 3. Fill in the Venn diagram. And Kiki wins if a prime number comes up. So the primes are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. But we're only looking for the primes on a die, so that's 2, 3, and 5. Destiny wins if a number greater than 3, so that's 4, 5, or 6. Serenity wins if an even number comes up, so that's 2, 4, 6. I'm going to put the 1 here. The 2. 2 is both in Kiki's circle and Serenity's, so it's going to go between Kiki's and Serenity's. It's not in Destiny, so I can't put it here, so I'm going to put the 2 there. Then the 3 comes up. Now the 3 is only in Kiki's, so I'm just going to put it right here. Then the 4. The 4 is in both Destiny's and Serenity's circles. I'm going to put the 4 here. It's not in Kiki's, so I'm going to put it right here. Then the 5. The 5 is in both Kiki's and Destiny's. So I'm going to put it right here. Then the 6 comes up. The 6 is even, and it's greater than 3, so it's going to be in Destiny's and Serenity's circles. So I'm going to put it right beside that 4. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those are all the numbers on the die, and they're all accounted for. B, find the probability of D. D, you get a 5, a 4, or 6. So that's 3 numbers out of the 6, which is a half, or 50%. For C, find the probability of S. Once again, 3 numbers out of 6, same answer. For D, find the probability of K union D union S. Union, unite them, put them all together. So we're talking about this. Anything that's in yellow is inside K or D or S. That's everything but the 1. That's 5 out of 6. So there are 5 numbers we're looking at out of 6 total, which is 0.83 repeating or 83.3 repeating percent. E, find the probability of K intersect S. So K and S, the intersection is right here. It's this region. The only thing in there is the 2. That's 1 out of 6. That's 1 number out of the 6 possibles. So which is 0.16 or 16.6 repeating percent. F, find the probability of S intersect D. That's S and D, that's this region right here. There are only 2 numbers, so 2 out of 6, which is 1 out of 3, which is 0.3 repeating or 33.3%. G, find the probability of S given D. That's the probability of S and D, S intersection D, which we've already looked at, is the 4 and the 6. That's 2 out of 6. Out of D, which is 3 out of 6. So we have 2 out of 6 divided by 3 out of 6, which is 2 out of 6 times 6 out of 3. Take the reciprocal of the dividing fraction, the 6's cancel, you get 2/3, which is 0.6 repeating, which is 66.6 repeating percent. H, find the probability of K given S. That's the probability of K intersect S, which we've already figured out is 1/6, over the probability of S, which is 3 to 6. So we have 1 out of 6 divided by 3 out of 6, which is 1 out of 6 times 6 out of 3. The 6's cancel, that gives us 1 out of 3. Okay, we could also figure this out logically. The probability of K given S. Okay, so we know that we're only looking at these 3 numbers in S. Okay, what's the probability that it's also in K? Well, just 1 out of the 3. 1 out of 3. There we go. And the same for this one, the probability of S given D. Okay, so if we're only looking at D, we only have 3 numbers. What's the probability that it's also in S? 2 out of 3, which is 0.6 repeating. And there we go. And that's it for question number 1. Have a good day.